Looking for the right vehicle? Today could be your lucky day. This vehicle is equipped with great options and it could be yours. Contact the dealer today, request more information, and set up a test drive right away. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: sliding rear window, turbocharged, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, remote engine start, brake assist, daytime running lights, privacy glass. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.